Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss about some important vocabulary of English language. Start. Affable. Affable means friendly. Let's suppose he is affable. He is friendly. Okay, he is affable with all. He is friendly with all. Number two, hazardous. Hazardous means risky or dangerous. This place seems hazardous. This place seems hazardous. Tranquility. Tranquility means peaceful. Music gives me tranquility. Music gives me tranquility. Sagacious. Sagacious means intelligent, wise. All students in this institute are sagacious. Devastate. Devastate means to destroy. तबाह करना या बर्बाद करना. Let's suppose these people can devastate our system. Zany. Zany means hilarious, funny. Hey, look, your friend is zany. He looks zany. Zany means funny. Terminate. It's a verb to end something. Today I'm going to terminate my work. It's been too late. Terminate यानी किसी चीज को खत्म कर. Suspect. Suspect means to doubt. He suspects all the people. Suspicious. Suspicious यानी मशकूक, जिस पर शक किया जाए. He thought the person who was standing in front of him, he was suspicious. And then the next word is suspicion. Suspicion means doubt, shak. I've got suspicion whether he's a stranger or he's a spy. So suspect, suspicious, suspicion. Diligent. Diligent means hard worker, mehnati. My friend is a diligent person. He keeps studying all the night. And then we have diligence. Diligence means mehnat, hard work. Okay. The diligence that you have carried within yourself will bring for you success. So diligent means hard worker. Diligence means hard work. Lethargic. Lethargic means lazy. He is lethargic. Listless. Listless means lazy. Passive. Passive also means lazy. These three words have same meaning in Urdu, sust, in English, lazy. Okay, so you can make sentences. He looks lethargic. He looks listless. He looks passive.